Oh, your address.
This is our last day in the Masai Mara. Our room is one of those over there. This is the edge of the camp. There's a pool over there.
Tell me what you're going to email me. I'm going to email you a note saying I'm sending you the CD in the mail. Oh, okay, it's coming in the mail. Yeah, okay, all right. Yeah, I think that's the best way. That way
Daniel and Jean.
My boy will know what to CD. Yeah, you plug it in and it downloads it. Sounds good to me, but I wouldn't know how to do that. Okay, sounds good. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so this is our last day in the Masai Mara. As you can see, the sun is setting over the Sahara Plains. Daniel and I are walking out to see the hippos for the last time.
I'm now a professional photographer.
Hi, Daniel. Daniel is now a professional photographer because one of our group mates paid Daniel $100 to send him his pictures.
They're really that good. I should be charging a lot for those photos.
Yes. Except for me. I get them for free. Because I'm awesome.
On Facebook.
Okay.
I should send him with a copyright on the bottom corner.
Okay. Here is what happens
when you come to Masai Mara.
When you come to the Masai Mara. Some of those are human. Just
what?
Kidding. Can you see?
Oh my god, feel him.
I feel like it's probably not okay to feel. Ugh. And now I have some sort of disease. Okay, it's kind of dark and scary. So this is the stilted boardwalk. This is Daniel's crib. Welcome.
I come to have the poops party.
Oh, and
They're
some
calling
honking.
us.
They're calling us. Daniel, tell us about your crib.
Well, this is where the magic happens. I like to turn on some really intense music and do a runway down this to the hippos.
Okay.
Like strut.
Look at that strut.
Hippos.
Okay, now you're in the light, so tell us more.
So, I sleep out here when I'm feeling adventurous and ballsy, because there are 40 of my beautiful friends in the sauna, kept bubbly from their gastric movement. It's pretty exciting. There's also a crocodile in there we saw earlier today. And then
dangerous. Our
friends elephants, they like to come see us once in a while. Jesse has a buffalo friend here that likes to hang out below.
We're up pretty high.
I would say it's about like the second story.
Now what are these spotlights for?
Make sure you don't fall on your ass. And there's a huge thorny bush tree thing.
I hate thorny bushes.
I just hate bush. But it looks quite Satanist. That's the word.
And what is this building here?
That's where the poop party begins. AKA bathrooms. But luckily you're so high up that when you poop, your shit just falls like a story down and makes it a really big glump.
Oh, your friends are talking to us.
They're laughing because the thing is so great.
What?
AKA our first guy named George told us about the poops party. That's where that comes from. Not an original term.
I forgot about the poops party. It's a party deck over there.
It's called the Elephant Bar. There might be some crazy wildebeest or something over there. And this is what I call the circle of life. All animals conjoining in one little pond.
It smells like a poops party up in here.
It smells so ripe and real. But isn't this cool? These are one of the thorny bushes that I was talking about.
Oh, yeah, the thorny bushes.
All their branches have things on them that look like toothpicks. And apparently they can sting you and stab you. But giraffes are the only ones that are okay to eat it because they have like built-in antiseptics in their saliva or something. I don't know. I really didn't pay attention.
Welcome to Daniel's crib. Daniel's been drinking in his crib, as you can see. Tusker, the Kenyan beer. What is Daniel looking at?
All the hippos are right there. And then way off in the distance, I don't know if that's a hippo on the loose or a buffalo, maybe an elephant. Do you see it?
It's kind of hard to see.
Those hippos are in the crocodile area.
Maybe they ate the
There's
crocodile.
a big yawn over there, we missed it.
Oh.
Jesse's been wanting a big yawn.
Well, we hope that you've enjoyed
yes,
the crib. Goodbye.